Hello class, and welcome to the first of your examples for chapter 9. So this is example 9, wrong one, 9-1. Okay, what we have here is a bar, and this bar has a tensile stress developed because it is under stress. It's under a load. That load is 95 kips. Now, first off, when you see a load written like this, it's not saying 2 times 95, it's just saying 95. So, for our equation, P would be equal to 95 kips, which is equal to 95,000 pounds. And then the cross section is given as 2 inches by 2 inches. Okay, now what does it ask for? Well, it wants us to compute the tensile stress developed in this steel bar. So we want to know this. What is it? We want to know when it's square. And we also want to know the stress when we have a different shape for a W8x31 member, which is probably some sort of I-beam. Okay, so first off we write our stress equation. Stress equals load over area. In this case, the area is not too difficult to calculate. We don't really know this yet, but let's just act like we don't know how to do areas and figure it out. So area square is going to be equal to the width times the height, the length times the height, width times height, which is going to be equal to 2 inches times 2 inches, 4 inches squared. The area of the W8x31 member is in Appendix A. You don't have to calculate it. I'll just say AW. And it's equal to 9.13 inches squared. Okay, now what is the stress? Well, we now have all the information we need so we can plug it into our calculations. It's going to be equal to 95,000 pounds over 4 inches squared, which should come out to be 23.8 KSI, which is kilopounds per square inch. And in the second case, it's going to be 95,000 pounds over 9.13 inches squared, which is going to be equal to 10.41 KSI. 10.41 KSI. Okay, with that we have solved our problem. So remember for this, for all these problems, it comes down to the same basic equation. You can only solve for 3 things. That's either the stress, the load, or the area. If it's some crazy shape, the area is usually in an appendix, Appendix A. Otherwise, you just have to figure out from what you're given. Well, I hope that helped you with this particular problem, and I look forward to seeing all of you sometime soon. Have a good day.